Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GTA Vice City in PC. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So here we are on my desktop. Now the best way to download GTA Vice City, there are a number of ways, but the one way I would recommend is to go through the Steam and purchase a game. So what you want to do is open up Steam or come across to the website, and in the search box you just want to go ahead and put Grand Theft Auto and then Vice City. So once you've done that, go ahead and press enter on your keyboard and it's going to take you across to the search results. Now you can see Vice City is up to the very top. So if you click onto this, that's going to take you across to the page. So once you've done that, that's going to take you across to this page, and if you actually scroll down, you can add this to the cart now. This is currently available as part of the Definitive Edition, so the Definitive Edition actually includes free items. As you can see here, you get Grand Theft Auto 3D Definitive Edition, Grand Theft Auto Vice City, the Definitive Edition, and you also get Grand Theft Auto San Andreas Lead Definitive Edition. So what you want to do from here is press the green add to cart button, and once that's done, you want to come up to the top right hand corner. All you want to do from here is click purchase for myself, or you can purchase as a gift if you want to give this to someone. And then what you want to do is go ahead and choose, hey, you want to pay for the game. So whether that's from funds from your Steam wallet, or you can click onto this drop down box. Again, the payment methods are gonna vary depending on what country you're from, so I'm just going to go ahead and select PayPal. And what you want to do is go ahead and click continue, and then you will go through and just make the purchase on Steam. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you want to do next is come up to your library at the top, and you're going to see that the game will be in your library. So what you can then do is install this by clicking on the game in your library of games on the left hand side. Now what's going to happen is you're going to get a blue install button, so it's going to tell you the space required, and all you want to do is press the install button to start installing the game onto your PC. Once that's installed, when you next come to this page, instead of saying install, it's going to say play. So you can go ahead and click play and go ahead and play GTA Vice City. So that's how to go ahead and download GTA Vice City on your PC. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.